All right, hello, Chef David Rose coming back at you again from the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center. And we're continuing that train with our pork Wellington. And what we're doing right now is with any particular meat dish, you gotta have a nice sauce. It's all about the sauce. So what we're doing is a delicious, amazing one-pan plan with the sauce we were making with the pork Wellington. And it's a pretty straightforward mushroom sauce. And I'm gonna show you just how to make it if you pay attention to me. First things first, we have again our illustrious induction stovetop burner, powered by electricity and this cast iron pan. All right, we crank that up. A little bit of olive oil in the pan, like so. Get it nice and heated up. All right, and to that, we are going to add some shallots. We're gonna add garlic. And then we get that nice and translucent and sauteed. You're looking for the smell and the aroma and the oils out of the shallots and the garlics to release that amazing bouquet that only sauteed garlic and shallots can have. I'm telling you, the person who makes a perfume out of this or a cologne, they're gonna make a killing, because something about freshly sauteed garlic and shallots just does wonders for me. Step one, shallots and garlic. Step to any good recipe, believe me. Okay, and then from there, we add our mushrooms. I like using shiitake, gives it a nice earthiness. Okay, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit more oil. Cut that temp down. All right, so what we're looking for at this point right now for the mushrooms to break down, get tender, get luscious, and get cooked down, and impart some of that caramelization and that browning from the hot cast iron pan. And we're constantly moving it as we cook, ensuring nothing is getting too dark, and we're getting all the mushroom, the shallots, the garlic inside of the pan cooked well. So at this point, what I want to do is I want to introduce some Madeira cooking wine. We use this already in the duck cell, so why not use it again in our sauce? Yeah, some of that. And what the Madeira is going to do, it's going to add a nice other depth of flavor and also deglaze the pan, where it picks up all those delicious little bits on the bottom of the pan and brings them all to life. It revives them. It resurrects them. Kind of like zombies, but tasty. You get the drift. So you get that nice kind of golden raisin kind of note because of the wine, and there's brandy in there as well. So you get that nice little sweetness as well that you find in the brandy. And it just adds another depth of flavor and also will complement the pork Wellington because of the duck cell with the Madeira in there as well. Trust me, for your boo, for your husband, for your wife, for your girlfriend, whoever, they are going to love this. And the only way to get this recipe is to keep following me at the Georgia Power Customer Resource Center.